Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to connect WhatsApp to Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect Brevo with WhatsApp. Once you're logged in, head to the Zapier dashboard. You'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both Brevo and WhatsApp from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. If your Brevo account isn't already connected to Zapier, you'll see a sign-in button here. Click it, and you'll need to enter your API key. To find this key, go to your Brevo account, click on your account name, navigate to SMTP and API, and select API keys. On the top right side of your account, you'll see a button labeled Generate a new API key. Click on it. You can name the API key anything you like, then click Generate and copy the API key. Once you've pasted it into Zapier, simply click Yes, connect to Brevo, and you're all set. Now repeat this process to log into your WhatsApp account by entering your number and clicking on Send PIN. After entering the PIN, click Yes, continue, and you'll be connected. Once both accounts are connected, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You're ready to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.